In today's video, I'm going to teach you building a business workflow hub in ClickUp. We're going to build a streamlined, all-in-one workspace so you can see your sales, marketing, operations, finance, and client work in one place. Start by opening ClickUp, either in your browser or the desktop app, and log in. Give yourself a moment to land on your home or spaces area so you have a clear view of where you're working. Create a new space and name it Business Workflow Hub. This will be the central container for everything. When prompted, make sure lists are enabled. Lists are essential because they let you manage multiple workflows side by side, all within the same space, and they give you the structure to track tasks with detail and clarity. Inside this new space, add folders to organize your key workflows. Create sales, marketing, operations, finance, and client management. Think of folders as the big buckets that hold the specifics. This makes it easier to grant access, stay organized, and quickly navigate to the area you're working on. Next, build the lists inside each folder to track the work itself. For sales, create leads, proposals, and deals. For marketing, set up campaigns, content calendar, and social media. In operations, add SOPs, project tasks, and vendor management. Each list is where the day-to-day tasks live, so keep names clear and focused. If you're new to ClickUp, there's a link at the very top of the description to download the desktop app or open the web version. Use that to get set up quickly and follow along. Now start adding tasks for your actual work. Add items like send proposal, design ad, invoice client, and approve vendor. Write clear titles, add descriptions for context, and include attachments or links when needed so nothing gets lost. To make your hub even more useful, add custom fields to your tasks. Include owner to assign accountability, deadline to keep timing visible, priority to guide focus, and status for quick progress checks. These fields show up in your list views and make filtering and sorting a breeze. Set your task statuses to reflect a simple, effective workflow. To do, in progress, review, and completed. This gives everyone a consistent way to see what's moving and what needs attention. Finally, monitor everything from your central hub. Use list view for details, board view for a drag and drop Kanban style, and dashboard views for high-level metrics and visibility across all workflows. That's it. You now have an all-in-one ClickUp workflow hub to manage your entire business efficiently. Thanks for watching.